Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to publish your Big Cartel store. First, log into your Big Cartel account and go to your dashboard. Before publishing, make sure you've added your products, customized your store design, and reviewed your store settings. Next, check important details such as your payment methods, shipping options, and store information to ensure everything is ready for customers. Once you've finished setting up your store, go to your store settings and review your storefront. If everything looks good, make sure your store is set to be publicly visible and not in any private or hidden mode. After confirming your settings, save any final changes and open your store URL in a new browser tab to verify that visitors can access it. Your Big Cartel store is now live and ready for customers to browse and place orders. And that's it. You've successfully published your Big Cartel store. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.